Today we're going to be making this super easy squishy out of paper. Okay, so first you'll have to sketch out your design. I'm going to do a cake, so I'm going to draw a circle as my template. After you've sketched it out, then trace it with a black pen. Okay, after you've done that, then you can put on any cake decorations you want. After that, draw another circle the same size as the one you drew earlier. Because you don't have to colour this in because this is going to be the bottom of the cake. Cover it in clear tape. Once you've done that, cut it out. Here are the two cut out pieces. After that, you'll have to get another piece of paper and fold it over. It must be the long edge of the A4 paper. You can draw any designs along the strip of paper as it will be the side of the cake. Cover it with tape. Fold it over and tape it. Get the top layer of the cake and get little strips of tape and stick it on. Do the same for the bottom. Leave a little hole at the bottom of the cake for the fluff. After that, tape it shut. Here is the final result. Hope you liked it.